Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Starscope Monocular Telescope. So as you can see right here, we have it here on Amazon. So they come in two colors. The orange one is actually cheaper since it looks worse than the black one. So if you scroll on down here to the reviews about this item, they claim that it is high powered for optics for adults, and it also has a new color edition for visibility, enhanced phone scope photography, compact and travel friendly, superior BAK4 prism lens, fully multi-coated lens for clarity, and durable water and dust resistance. So let's head on over down here to the reviews, and they're actually rated 3.4 out of 5 stars. And then some people are saying that it has amazing zoom, and this person said, "Don't buy cheap garbage, fell apart in 3 minutes just opening the lens, works good, perfect. There's no zoom control as advertised. Not the clear winner. Excellent. Starscope is a scam. Telescopio, very powerful, good quality at a reasonable price. Kids love it." And this one is in Japanese, I think. However, this person rated it 2 stars. So this product is a bit of a hit or miss, since some people are saying that it is good and some people are saying that it is bad. So if you're planning on buying this product, I advise you to do some research before actually purchasing it, since it doesn't look like a very well built lens. This looks like plastic, and it doesn't look like rubber or any other material, and maybe it could be very cheaply made. So before buying this lens, I advise you to do some research. And yeah, that is basically it. So my recommendation for when you're gonna buy this, I recommend you do not buy this at all, since there are a lot of other telescopes or scopes out there that are higher quality at a lower price. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.